Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix app not installed with your phone. This is problem. Okay, let's go solve your problem. First step all, open your Play Store application. Now tap on your profile icon and then tap on settings. Tap on about. Now you can see update Play Store. Tap on update Play Store. Tap on go it. Go back your home screen and then tap on settings. Scroll down little bit. Now tap on apps. Tap on apps management. Now tap on search. Search here Chrome. Tap on Chrome. Now scroll down again. You can see storage. Tap on storage and then tap on clear data. Now tap on clear all data. Tap on OK. After tap on OK, go back on step. Tap on permission management. You can see all permission unenable. Must be your all permission is enable. At last, restart your phone and try to install it apps. You can see hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.